Every time she hits the wall, she gets back up again. That is resilience.
Almost done and got it.
What you got, Park Ranger?
My latest gadget, Dino Remote Control. It can pause, play, rewind, and fast forward any dinosaur just by pointing it at them. Want to see?
Are you sure it's safe?
Sure.
If you say so.
Come here, little lady. I can't believe it! It worked!
I thought you said... Never mind.
And now for the real test. Let me try to rewind you.
I've been thinking. Orson, maybe it's time we tell Park Ranger Sam the truth.
Truth about what? Santa Claus?
What's the truth about Santa Claus?
That he's a really good gift giver.
Come on, it's not a big secret. No, I've been thinking we should tell Sam once and for all that she's an invention of the Dino Master. I mean, if I were a robot, I'd want to know. You'd tell me if I was, right?
Yes.
I'm a robot?
No, of course you're not a robot. And you know me. I am physically incapable of telling a lie. Maybe I'm a robot.
Wait, are you sure this is a good idea?
Well, if my calculations are correct, pressing this button will rewind our baby dino to go back to where she started.
This may be the greatest invention in the history of humankind! Not just T-Rex Ranch!
Thanks! Should we go try on a bigger dino?
Yes! What could possibly go wrong?
Sam, do you have a second?
Sure, what's up?
We have some news for you that might sound a little strange.
Is it about Santa Claus? Because I already know.
What about Santa Claus?
That he can't possibly deliver all those presents in one night.
He can't?
Which is why he has 36 hours on account of...
The multiple time zones across the globe. Everybody knows this.
Right!
Everybody knows this.
Anyway, Sam, there's something very unique about you that Park Ranger Orson and I thought you should know.
Okay.
You know the Dino Master, right?
Sworn enemy of the T-Rex Ranch Park Rangers. Of course.
Yeah, he invented you.
That's ridiculous. How do you invent a person?
Well, that's just it. You're actually a robot with 3 settings: Real Girl, Robo-Girl, and the Dino Master's henchman. I don't recommend the 3rd setting.
We rescued you from the Dino Master's control, rebooted you, and changed your settings to Real Girl so you wouldn't remember that you were a robot.
But if you want, we can change you back to Robo-Girl so that you'd have your robot powers as well.
I thought you were serious for a minute. Imagine that. Okay, so if I'm a robot, then I have to have some sort of control panel, right?
Exactly.
What about a pteranodon? That'd be pretty cool, right?
Yeah, but I want to test out something bigger, like a triceratops or stegosaurus.
That big enough for you?
Technically, but I think a Gigantosaurus is a little bigger.
Asher!
Kidding! Not really.
Any day now!
Here goes nothing. Okay, so you're going to reset me and change my settings to Robo-Girl?
Correct.
Okay, I'm not trying to be mean, but this is the most ridiculous thing ever. I mean, you can't just... That was weird. As I was saying...
Greetings! I hope this hologram finds you well. You are Sam, the secret autonomous machine. If this Sam shall reach you in error, please return her to the evil Dino Laboratory. Care of me, the Dino Master. I'll turn this off.
Did I just project that hologram from my eyeballs?
Pretty cool, huh?
I'm not sure. I need a minute or two to myself.
Robot blues. Seen it happen.
It's okay. She needs this time.
Well, like my mom always said, be kind and rewind. Uh-oh. Nobody's here. Oh, hi, Asher. Hi, Sam. Are you okay? Yeah. Actually, no. I just found out I'm a robot. Oh, yeah. I knew that. You did? Do you think I'm weird? Of course not. I think robots are awesome, and girls are... Well, let's just say it all evens out. Thanks, Asher. That makes me feel better. I would hug you, but... We don't need to hug. Hey, where's Maisie? Oh, well, hopefully she's still on pause between the jaws of a hungry T-Rex. What? I'll tell you the whole story on the way there. Let's go! I see your problem. Luckily, you have a full-fledged robot park ranger ready to help. What do we do? As soon as I give you the signal, press play and stand back. Hit it!
My whole life flashed before my eyes. Bingeable. What happened, Asher?
It's a long story.
Actually, I can tell you the whole thing in 8.7 seconds. 'Cause I'm a robot, but it's cool. Is there something you're not telling me about Santa Claus? You can't lie, remember?
All right, Park Ranger. Here's the truth. Santa isn't really a native of the North Pole.
I knew it. Is he from the Midwest? I just get that vibe, don't you?
Yeah.
It's been a while. We should take the babies and head back to HQ.
Good call. Hey! The gang's all here. Maisie, doing all right? You're looking a bit pale.
Oh, it's because a T-Rex almost ate me and I was frozen between his jaws for what felt like a very long time. So yes, it's been a day. Thanks for asking.
Another day at the ranch.
Good point.
What's that, Asher? A new gadget?
Yeah, but it's broken. I need to install a flash drive to do diagnostic. How about a thumb drive? Sure. My pinky's also a corkscrew if that helps anybody.
Santa isn't really a native of the North Pole.
Oh, the nerve of this guy. Hey, Gumdrop, put Park Ranger Orson down for a lump of coal this year. That's right, Park Ranger Orson from T-Rex Ranch. Flying that I'm not real.
And now that you're under my control, I need you to bring me the baby Brachiosaurus to my super secret transporter in T-Rex Ranch. Understood?
Yes, Dino Master. 42 minutes earlier.
I cannot believe we have a device that can actually translate dino sounds. It's an amazing scientific breakthrough.
Yeah, pretty cool.
Sorry you can't come on our first translation trip.
That's okay. Maybe you should bring some of the gadgets. Like the Electro Fence gadget, just in case Orexo's translations don't work very well.
Thank you. And you're sure you're okay to stay and babysit the baby dinos until Macy gets back from her dog walking?
Yeah, I'll be fine. Maybe I'll even take a nap.
That'll be Park Ranger Orson and Park Ranger Wyatt in the T-Rex one. Don't get into too much trouble, okay?
Who? Me? Whoa! The Dino Eye! I wonder if I can fix it. Dino Master! You're not allowed in here.
Park Ranger Asher, right? Do I have you to thank for fixing my Dino Eye gadget?
I didn't mean to. I was just trying to reuse some of the parts.
Ha! There is nothing you can do, for I have put my trap spell on you.
What can I do for you, Dino Master?
Well, you've already fixed my Dino Eye, so we can scratch that off the list. But now I have a much bigger favor. Quick, hide me to the gun!
I gotta say, this dog walking business is a lot more exercise than I ever thought. My legs feel like jelly. What's jiggling on your end, Park Ranger Asher?
Nothing jiggling in here. Just a totally normal day.
Uh-huh.
Hope this works. Yoo-hoo, Alexa.
Hello, Park Ranger Bella. How can I help you?
Translate dinosaur sounds.
Translating. I think she's saying, I am acrobat.
That can't be right.
So, what do you think we should do today, Park Ranger Asher?
Set the T-Rexes free.
Sure, and what about the raptors?
Let them loose in libraries.
Maisie?
Go for Park Ranger Maisie.
Maisie, this is Park Ranger Orson. Park Ranger Wyatt, Bella, and I have unfortunately encountered a... I think you get the picture. Mind heading over this way and driving our park rangers in the T-Rex 1 to complete their mission? I gotta hang back and diagnose some tummy troubles. Sometimes this job really stinks.
Copy that, Park Ranger. Stay strong, and I'll be there in 2 shakes of a Triceratops tail. Are you gonna be okay here by yourself while I go get the other park rangers?
Yes, Mommy.
You mean Park Ranger, Mommy. I mean Maisie.
Yes, Maisie.
I'm not convinced you're okay, but just stay here, and I'll be back in 10 minutes. Remember, 10
minutes.
Translating. I love macaroni and cheese.
Sorry, not accurate.
But what if he does love mac and cheese? I do.
No time for small talk! Get in! I got a rogue Giganosaurus on my tail!
You'll have to ask me twice.
Come on, Park Ranger! Gotta go!
Use Alexa, translate please.
I think she's saying shrimps and grits.
Mac and cheese, not shrimp and grits. These guys are hungry. This thing's toast. Punch it.
A loose gigantosaurus should keep them all distracted.
Ready for the transportal. The baby Brachiosaurus is in my bag.
Splendid. Now, just grab the dino eye and proceed to the coordinates we discussed.
Your wish is my command.
What? I'm not a genie! Well, close enough.
You know how some days just feel kind of off? This is one of those days.
Tell me about it. I ran into Asher at Dino HQ and he was being really weird.
Was he walking stiffly with a glazed look in his eyes?
Yeah, how'd you know? Oh man, something's up. Let's go find out what's happening.
What are you up to, Park Ranger Asher?
Yeah, good question.
Yeah, I know.
Don't be shy. How do you like my transporter? Just a little something I whipped up to transport matter through time and space. Now all you have to do is release the baby Brachiosaurus and nudge him towards my transporter.
He's under some kind of spell.
Into the transportal. Asher, no!
How'd that happen?
What? No! I haven't even gotten my baby dino yet! You can't thwart me with my own electro fence gadget!
I don't know. Sounds like maybe you got what's coming to ya. Where am I? Why am I inside the electro fence?
Because the Dino Master put you under some sort of trance. But you'll be okay soon.
Don't listen to them, Park Ranger!
Sorry, the electro fence also dehypnotizes anyone inside, so Asher is no longer under your control.
Well, of course I know that! I invented the thing!
Thanks for saving me, everyone.
Don't mention it. Although you did call me Park Ranger Mommy when you were under the Dino Master spell, so let's never mention that again, okay?
Okay, fair enough.
Aw, resist. Yoo-hoo, Alexa, translate dino sounds.
Translating. My car is a library for hot air balloons.
What's that supposed to mean?
It means that Alexa's dino translator doesn't work.
Previously on T-Rex Ranch.
But we shouldn't bother Orson while he's on vacation.
Our golden dino egg isn't hatching, and we're wondering if there's actually a baby dino inside.
Or if it's one of your tricks again?
If you place an egg at the center of the mystical dino spiral, a full-grown dinosaur will appear inside the egg.
Sounds easy enough.
You you say that, but first you must complete 3 trials. Cross the lake of fire, bow to the Dinosaur's guardian, win a staring contest with the Stegosaurus.
This is the cutest one yet! Goodness.
I can't believe the Lake of Fire is real. And the bridge is gone. What do? Lava's not in the Park Ranger handbook.
First off, we don't panic. Let's put on our thinking caps.
I just need them to walk over the lava.
You've got to be kidding me.
You can't be too careful about the lava. I did it! I figured it out!
You did?
The lava's not real, just like at the ranger station. It's just another one of Dynomaster's tricks.
Asher, I don't know if this is a good idea.
Trust me.
Nice work, Park Ranger.
Told ya!
Yeah, and here's something I don't say very often. You were right.
Oh, I'm so glad to be in headquarters.
You said it.
All I know is I'm gonna have a word with the Dino Master next time I see him.
And what word will that be, Park Ranger Bella? I'm very curious.
Lava.
Yes, of course. Well, nobody's in Fuego, so I'm guessing you've all passed my lake of fire. But who figured out that little puzzle?
I did.
Well done, Park Ranger Asher. Clever and brave. It's a rare combination.
What do you want, Dino Master?
Oh, you know, chaos, confusion, a decent grocery store cookie, the same as everyone else. But mostly, my precious baby Triceratops and your backpack.
No way.
Besides, you're just a hologram. You can't even do anything.
Fair point. I personally can't take the baby Tri off your hands because I'm banned from T-Rex Ranch. But I've sent someone who can.
Should I answer it?
Go ahead, Park Rangers. It'll be a fun surprise.
Hi?
Hi.
Who are you? Is she okay?
Park Rangers, meet my latest and greatest invention. The secret autonomous machine. I call her Sam for short. Oh, and do me a favor. Don't pull her finger. Ew, nothing gross.
Wait, are you saying that she's a robot?
Ding, ding, ding. Tell her what she's won, Sam.
You have 1 hour to hand over the baby Triceratops, or I am going to self-destruct.
Lovely day for a walk, isn't it, friends? Come on now, single file line, please. All right, that's better.
May I have your baby Triceratops now? I have to bring her back to the Dino Master. If he's already in the bag, you can just hand it to me and I'll be on my way.
All right, no rushing, no pushing. Who do we have here?
I'm Sam. She's a robot.
A secret autonomous machine.
Sent by the Dino Master.
To steal our baby Tri.
Or else she'll self-destruct.
In 45 minutes.
Oh, you believe her. Look, Sam,
we know you're not a robot, and I don't know how you got mixed up with the Dino Master, but we're gonna lead you to the gate and say our goodbyes now.
How do you know I'm not a robot?
Yeah, how do you know?
Because no one can make a robot that looks and acts like a kid. Robots nowadays look like dogs and dance to Motown.
What if I proved it to you?
Sure, why not?
See that big rock? I'm going to run there and back as fast as I can.
Whenever you're ready.
That was amazing. Can you go even faster?
If I want to.
Look, that was, very speedy, and I sure hope you're part of a local track and field club, but...
What is that?
For the sound of footballs? A T-Rex. Definitely a T-Rex.
Which means we should probably get out of here. I can't tell where she's coming from.
My adrenaline levels are in the red. This is very exciting.
Do you think she's hungry?
Are you hungry?
Uh-huh.
Ow! You bit me! That's a sharp little beak you've got there.
Are you okay?
Don't you have some sort of a gadget or a blaster we can use?
Yes, I do.
You have an onboard dino freeze ray. That's amazing.
Okay, now I believe Sam's a robot.
Good. Because you have 23 minutes left before I go.
All right, Sam, have a seat.
Sure, but there are 30 seconds left before I go boom, unless you give me that baby dino to take back to the Dino Master. And just so you don't forget, I will activate a terrifying alarm.
Terrifying alarm. Terrifying alarm. Terrifying alarm.
Hey, little one.
Terrifying alarm. Terrifying.
What happened?
That's why the Dynomaster said to not pull her finger, because then she'll shut down.
Normally I'd say avoid pulling anyone's finger, but in this case I'd say it was the right decision.
But the Dino Master's going to be wondering why Sam isn't back yet. She has to have some sort of control panel. Found it. I can do a reboot or a full factory reset and set her to Dino Master's henchman, Robo-Girl, or Real Girl.
How about Real Girl?
I will miss her eyeball lasers.
Wait, what?
Tell you later. Here goes nothing.
Hi, I'm Sam.
Hi, Sam. I'm Maisie. This is Asher, Orson, and Bella, and we are the T-Rex Ranch Park Rangers.
Nice to meet you all. Did I say my name was Sam?
Yeah.
Good. I can be very forgetful.
Hello again, park rangers. I assume Sam is on her way with... Sam? What are you still doing there? And without my baby Triceratops?
Who's the dude in the cape?
That's the Dino Master. He's our bad guy.
No! You've turned my creation against me. What's a guy gonna do to catch a break around here? Come on, it's getting ridiculous.
He's very dramatic.
Oscar winning. Okay, Sam. You're a secret autonomous machine who no longer has to report to the Dino Master. So the question is, what do you want to do?
Can I stay here? I like your uniforms.
It looks good on you.
Thanks.
How do you feel?
I feel like I've had a very long day. Do you ever feel like that?
Boy, have we.
39 minutes later.
Good news! Got our park ranger uniforms back, all dry cleaned and pressed. How's that busted dino trap coming along?
All fixed.
Fantastic. That's 2 chores down. Yoo-hoo, Alexa.
Yes, Park Ranger Orson.
What's left on our daily task list?
There are currently 173 items remaining.
You're kidding me.
Hey, Park Rangers. You seem stressed. Or hungry. I can't quite tell.
Definitely stressed. Too much to do, and not enough time to do it.
Do you want help?
That'd be great, actually. We could really use an extra hand.
Oh, I only have the 2.
That's okay, Sam, we got it. Orson, are you thinking what I'm thinking?
Not enough starch on the uniforms? I agree.
No. Maybe there's another way we can get help from Sam. Or should I call her the secret autonomous machine? We could switch her into Robo-Girl mode.
I don't know. She's been real girl mode ever since she got here.
But what's the use in having a robot around if she can't do robot stuff? How else are we going to complete our monthly task list on time?
It is the last day of the month, and I do not want to find out what happens if we don't finish on time.
Just leave it to me, I got this. Hey, Sam, can you grab me a pair? They're in the bobbin drawer.
Sure, happy to help. I don't see anything. Oh, wait. No, that's a potato. Thank you for activating Robo-Girl Sam. My power cell is currently at 99% battery life. Also, there are no pears in this fridge, nor have there ever been.
Oh, no worries. Hey, we thought about it, and we'd love your help finishing our chores.
Of course. What can I do?
We have a task list, but in general, fix whatever needs fixing.
I understand that. Thank you. There seems to be a loose thread in your scarf. I can fix that. May I?
This says a seismic disturbance started in a clearing just ahead.
What do you think caused it? Big dino footsteps?
Maybe, but it looks like something fell from the sky and landed right... here!
Whoa, what is that?
Well, let's go find out. Pretty cool, huh?
Look.
Dino tracks. Looks like an Allosaurus. Big one, too.
And it went right through the rainbow. I wonder what that means. Did you hear that? It's not usually a good sign, but I don't see anything, so... You also saw a bright green Allosaurus, right?
Yeah, let's go follow it.
Sure, why not?
Hey, Sam, we're back from the...
Hey, Park Rangers.
Hey, Sam. What's happening here?
Oh, well, I was about to fix Orson's scarf, but when I sat down on the couch to sew it, I noticed a loose spring. So I moved the couch, which exposed a loose floorboard.
Okay, but is any of this on our task list?
I don't know. You tell me.
Reshingle the roof? Change the oil on the T-Rex 1?
Organize all the rocks in T-Rex Ranch by size, weight, and color. Sam, are you sure about all this?
Oh, yes. After all, I have been asked to...
Fix whatever needs fixing. She can't keep this up forever, right?
Of course not. After 5,000 years of activity, my battery level will decrease to 50% of its current level.
Oh.
We've made a huge mistake.
If the other dinos can't see that Allosaurus coming, he could wipe out the whole park.
Good Good thing I brought the rainbow, right? It can change the color of anything it zapped.
Nice. Did you invent that?
No, I found it in the Dino Master gadget closet.
Where'd you pull it out from? I don't suppose it does anything more helpful?
Guess we'll find out. Let me try a different setting. What happened? Why'd they leave?
I think they were embarrassed, but very patriotic.
Does that roof seem leaky to you? I'm gonna go check it out.
We need to do something. She's never gonna stop.
Okay, let's think carefully. Do we have any sort of instructional manual for Sam?
Actually, we kind of do.
Let me get this straight, Park Rangers. First you steal my robot, and now you want my help fixing her? That is rich.
We're not asking for your help, Dino Master. Just little advice.
Let me think about that for a sec. No! How about that, huh? How about no?
I knew this was a waste of time.
The truth is, Park Rangers, the only way to get Sam to break away from her infinite task loop is to give her an impossible task, which will cause her to reboot. But, when you know it, there's nothing she can't do, because the person who created her is a genius! Me, in case you forgot.
Wait, that's it. There's nothing she can't do.
Hold on! Don't start getting ideas from my cool mockery! No, wait, don't turn me off! Don't turn me off! I'm not done mocking you! Wait, don't turn me off!
All right, I know what to do. Let's get Sam back here.
Hey, Sam! Would you come down for a minute? I think you missed a speck of dust on the floor.
Oh no, be right there.
Oh, look!
It's an Allosaurus nest. But where's the Allosaurus?
Looks like he's everywhere.
I've got an idea.
How is this helping exactly?
Look over there. Okay, I've got a new plan. Run for it!
Raptors!
We're trapped.
Wait, zap me.
What? Why?
Just zap me. They're confused. Now's your chance.
Happy to help. Happy to help you too. Finally, everything is back to normal. Oh, right. One sec.
Where is the patch of dust?
Oh, we'll take care of it. But we do have one more urgent job for you, and it needs to be done before anything else on your list.
Okay, what is it?
We need you to do nothing.
Nothing.
That's right. Absolutely nothing.
But that's impossible. Even when I'm doing nothing, I'm still doing something. I'm breathing, I'm standing, I'm talking. It's impossible. System malfunction. Commencing reboot.
I think it worked. Sam, you in there?
I just had the weirdest dream. Why are you staring at me?
No reason. Nothing to worry about.
Wow! It's so clean in here.
You could thank Sam for that.
Thanks, Sam. It looks great.
Why are you purple?
You can thank Asher for that.
The Rainbow Ray ran out of batteries.
It happens.
What's with the new outfit, Park Ranger Bella?
Yeah, you look different. Did you get a haircut?
I'm not Park Ranger Bella. I'm Ridley Jones. Famous explorer.
I got nothing.
Ridley Jones is Bella's favorite new Netflix show. She lives in a museum where all the exhibits come to life.
That sounds pretty cool.
It is cool. Plus, she's friends with an Egyptian mummy queen, an astronaut chimpanzee, and a skateboarding dinosaur.
I don't think dinosaurs skateboard.
Maybe it's because they haven't tried.
Good point, Park Ranger Maisie.
I was thinking we could go visit our local natural history museum and investigate some exhibits, just in case.
How are you going to get to the Natural History Museum?
With my passport to adventure.
Sounds like fun to me. You want to come with Park Ranger Asher?
Yes, just a few more seconds to excavate something important. There! The granola bar I dropped last week!
Ew. You're gonna eat that?
No, I'm gonna save it for later.
Okay, Park Rangers. Let's go on a Natural History Museum adventure. Okay, Park Rangers. Everybody have what they need?
Sure do. Asher? What's wrong?
The baby dinos. They look so lonely. Can we bring them?
Can we?
No! You cannot bring 3 baby dinosaurs into a natural history museum.
That is 100% correct. And frankly, I'm surprised you would even ask, Park Ranger. Let's walk this way.
Sorry, allergies. You have to be calm, Ty.
Well, here we are, Park Rangers. A very special night at the museum. We could check out the butterfly pavilion, the age of mammals, the nature garden, or the dinosaur hall?
Yeah.
Well, then I believe we walk this way. I'm starting to think you don't like my silly walk joke very much.
No, it's just, I'm gonna go check my bag.
Did you know that Velociraptor means speedy robber? How cool is that? Ooh, and now experts think that predatory dinosaurs sat on their eggs and cared for their young.
Because birds are the closest living descendants of dinosaurs.
So amazing.
So amazing.
Are you hungry? Want a snack? Ow! I guess you were hungry.
Need some help, young man?
Who, me? No, just taking a break.
What are you, law enforcement or something?
I'm a park ranger.
Gotcha. Well, thank you for your service.
Okay, bye.
Maisie,
What's up, Park Ranger?
I think we have a problem.
Is that our baby T-Rex?
Yep.
I think somebody owes us an explanation.
Where are you, little guy? Are you here? You said I can't bring 3 baby dinos into the museum, so I only brought 1 because I thought it would make it less lonely. Come, come, come. Look, look. A baby dino, a juvenile, and a T-Rex.
Aw, he probably thinks that's his family.
A very hungry family.
That's it! That's what makes the baby dino come back into my bag. Nothing comes between a baby dino and their food.
Can we find him before she does?
We have to and we will. Okay, Park Rangers, Operation Baby T-Rex Dino Rescue on 3. 1, 2, 3. Operation Tiny Dinosaur Rescue. It's too complicated. It was my fault. Let's go. Why the big smile, Bella?
This feels like a Ridley adventure.
It sure does.
Excuse me, officer, I have a quick question.
Well, shoot. I love questions.
Do the exhibits here ever come alive at night?
Well, you might be surprised to know that but you didn't hear that from me. Excuse me, Ranger. You didn't see something small and stripy come in this direction, did you?
Sorry, allergies.
Allergies, am I right?
Okay. Just checking.
Okay, goodbye. We walked this way out of the museum. Right, Park Ranger Maisie?
Now you're getting it, kid.
The butterflies love to surf the tail.
This place is incredible. Well, that was a close one, huh?
Yeah, I think I'll leave the museum adventures to Ridley Jones from now on.
My mom's in trouble. The Phoenix Ruby is gone.
But I might keep the hat. I look good.
She could lose her job.
Come on, Ty, we're trying to watch Ridley Jones.
I just wish I could do more to... Wait, what's that? The necklace.
I trust there's a story behind this?
You could say that.
10 minutes earlier.
Aren't you bored, Max? No? Why would I be?
I mean, every day we patrol T-Rex Ranch. Check on the plant eaters.
Whoa.
Oh. They're just doing their vegetarian thing.
Still wouldn't want to get between that guy and a veggie burger.
Which is cool, it's just... I want some adventure, Max. This is T-Rex Ranch after all. But the big guys are far away, behind a boring electric fence.
I don't know if I could promise an adventure, but there's something I've never seen before.
Beautiful.
What is it?
I'd say it's a dinosaur egg, but it doesn't look like any dino egg I've seen. Max, you don't know what it's about.
Probably in a dinosaur's butt.
You have no idea where dino eggs come from, do you?
Correct.
But if it is a dino egg, where's the nest?
Max, what did I just say? I don't know. Obviously, I wasn't listening. Oh, sheesh kebab. What do we do, Bella?
Scream them out, but quietly. Why is he chasing us?
Maybe because I took his egg?
Or her egg? Why didn't you leave it on like I told you?
Because I'm a bad listener. We've covered this. Roar! A T-Rex just scared the pants off you. Go back 3 spaces and retrieve your pants.
That would never happen. You know I'm a belt man. All right, Park Ranger Asher. Let's see how well you can evade the T-Rex sniffer,
Yes! Ha! Easy! You don't have any blasters or stun rays?
No, T-Rexes aren't supposed to be in this part of the ranch. Wait, I do have something. Asher's new personal assistant app. Yoo-hoo, Alexa.
Hello, Park Ranger Bella. How can I help you?
First of all, keep your voice down.
Copy that.
Thank you. Alexa, I need you to send an SOS call to any park rangers nearby. Tell them we're in danger.
Issuing a distress call now.
What seems to be the problem, Park Ranger? Max? Max, leave the egg behind.
Please tell my mom I'm sorry because I never made my bed. It's nothing personal.
Max, she's not going to hurt you if you have the egg. Just walk backwards with the egg facing out. Punch it. I trust there's a story behind this?
You could say that.
Nice ride. What, this whole thing? I'm kidding. She is awesome.
Yeah! We just got chased by a T-Rex. It was not fun.
Hold on, Park Rangers. One at a time.
Park Ranger Orson, we just had some major T-Rex trouble.
We did too, see? What is that?
I'm so glad you asked. I'm starting something new here at T-Rex Ranch called the Park Ranger Achievement Program. Whenever you acquire new skills or complete tasks, you can receive a Park Ranger Achievement badge for your vest.
Yeah, and I just earned my very first badge from T-Rex Trouble.
Wait, but...
Therefore, with the power vested in me as Senior Park Ranger, I hereby give you, Park Ranger Asher, the Board Game Boss badge.
So what is this? Iron-on?
You have to sew it.
I don't know how to sew.
Well, we know what your second badge is gonna be, huh?
Doesn't anybody want to know what just happened to us?
No,
Okay,
yes, sorry.
Yes, sorry. Go ahead.
Go on, Max. Max found this dino egg, and then a T-Rex tried to take it from us.
It looks like one of those surprise eggs with toys and confetti inside it.
Not a fan. I don't like surprises. I like knowing exactly what's inside my eggs. Yolks, mostly.
My guess is a T-Rex egg, for obvious reasons. But we may have a bigger problem on our hands. Mama T-Rex got over the electric fence and snuck into Herbivore Valley.
You know what that means. It's time.
Whoa! What is this place?
This is our secret gadget closet. Everything in here was invented by a former park ranger who we used to call the Dino Master. He was a brilliant inventor, but thought he could control and manipulate the dinosaurs instead of help keep them safe like we do now.
So, we asked him to leave.
Didn't go so well. He vowed revenge. Cursed both our houses.
Very dramatic.
Oscar winning. But he did invent something that may help our surprise egg.
Is that?
A dino egg incubator. It'll do the job of the mama and then some. Park Ranger Maisie, will you do the honors?
What do you do?
Asher, come on.
This is a really fun game, Asher.
Yeah, thanks. I stepped in dino poop again, and I lost my turn. In real life, when I step in dino poop, I just lose my shoes. Wow, I've lost so many shoes. Ah!
Park Ranger Orson! Maisie, miss me?
No.
Oh, my feelings are hurt. Don't pretend like you don't remember your old friend, the Dino Master. Huh. I love what you've done with the place. Especially my old incubator. And I see there's a new prize inside. I'd love to know more.
Not so fast, Dino Master. You get a bite of Orson's big boot.
Is he gone?
That's pretty creepy. Is that enough adventure for you?
Well, now that that's done, let's see if Park Ranger Matt can get his foot out of the duty.